Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk VK2200 screen tablet, display tablet, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up the pen sensitivity on this device. So to do it, basically you need to open the start, then find here Veikk tablet driver, click pen. And here, as you can see, when we're pressing on this application, we can check the pressure sensitivity, but when we are clicking on the screen. So to change the sensitivity, we need to move this point, but this never was too easy to do using the pen, so I suggest you use the mouse. And now, for example, I need to use really heavy click to make the max pressure. And if we will move it to the upper part, now just light click is making the high pressure point, as you can see. Of course, we can move everything here in this way. For example, just normal touch will be the max. As you can see, it's very easy to do. Okay, I'll use it. I'll use the mouse. Oh, maybe I can't. I can change position of this. Okay, I can't move this square. Oh, I can. My God, I love this app. And in this way, for example, it's not too heavy and not too easy, so I like it. So, great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.